cream cheese 400 gram, dulce de leche 400 gram. Whisk together until smooth. Place the cling wrap in a loaf pan. Spread a thin layer of the cream cheese mixture on the bottom of the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee into 1 cup hot water and mix it well. Start dipping the cookies in the coffee mix, one by one, for 1 to 2 seconds and place them in one single layer on top. Do this until you are out of cream cheese mixture. The final layer should be the cream cheese mixture. Cover with cling wrap and refrigerate for 6 hours. Add 100 gram of hot heavy cream onto the 150 gram dark chocolate. Leave it for 2 to 4 minutes and mix well until the chocolate melts. Remove the cling wrap. To release the cake, invert into a serving dish. Release the pan from the cake and remove the cling wrap. Spread the chocolate ganache over the cake. Enjoy!